ladies and gentlemen, I'm Louis the Average Guy 1983. Thank you very much for tuning in with me on this video. Here is the Hooga Daytona. Even though it still has the E-Move branding, it's actually now the Hooga Daytona. Let me go ahead and show you guys a little bit of what it's like. This one is still the beta model, so it doesn't have the reverse throttle. It actually has the thumb throttle still, which is also on the Roadster. It has a beautiful panel here like you've seen before, and it does have a horn. So there you go, it does have it. It's right here. So in case you're wondering if it does have a horn, yes it does. This is a 72 volt 40 amp hour battery. It does have dual 2000 watt motors. The peak is probably around 8,000. I can get you guys the specs of it. I think it's supposed to be like 10,000 actually. So it is a little bit more redesigned. So you guys can see right here under the bone in the middle, it has been reduced in size so that this way it can be more flat and it won't be like interrupting anything that's on the floor here, so everything feels more comfortable. With that said though, this is going to be pretty much it. We're going to be testing it out and then we'll see how this turns out. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, and we have the Hooga Daytona here. We're going to be testing it out. We're going to stay in eco mode. Again, it does not have the steering damper. It's supposed to be here, but compared to the last one I tested out, this one feels more solid from the stem, so we should be good here. We're going to find out how this turns out. Yeah, so that's a lot of acceleration, especially because of its knubby tires. But it definitely feels much smoother. Look, more stable. Look, even without a steering damper. Last time I couldn't even go like past 20 something miles an hour. So it's made much better than before. I do feel that the acceleration does need to be reduced on it, especially with its nubby tires. From all the scooters, even the Hooga, I prefer the Roadster. Yeah, definitely a lot of acceleration on this thing. Oh no, I'm gonna keep it reduced because the thing has a lot of acceleration. Alright. Yeah, see? Alright, so yeah, it does have a really nice suspension. Look, I'm bouncing back and forth. Excellent suspension for sure. There's definitely ways to dial this down so that it won't be as aggressive on the acceleration. But I'm pretty sure Voro did it this way to show off what the Hooga Daytona can do. It really is nice though, guys. Even the stability without the steering damper, they made it much better. This is a pre-production model, so beta, but it's made much better than the last one. There's a lot of feedback they took in for the Hooga Daytona, but from the Hooga Daytona to, like, let's say the Roadster, I would take the Roadster. But this is nice. This feels a lot nicer. Nubby tires makes it feel more like bumpy. But this does still feel nice. Alrighty guys, so this is my little test of the Hooga Daytona.